Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some sentiment card ideas that I made using brand spanking new dies from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths. Enjoy the video. So today I have more card making ideas that I want to share with you using some brand spanking new dies from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths. Now these are from her Sentiment Dies collection, and the very first one that I want to share with you, I guess let me go ahead and share this one, is this beautiful purple one. Oh yes, and I've also used Christina's card inserts, and I will share that with you in a moment. And so the very first die that I used is on an easel card that I made, and this one says, on your special day. It's a decorative word 3-piece die set, and I guess this would be from her decorative word what's that word? I'm fanning my hand here. What's that word? Collection. So this is from her special day decorative word collection. And the item number to it is this one right here. And so I decided to do an easel card with this, and I've also used some chipboard piece from my stash. I decided to use some mirror gold cardstock and some flat back pearls, and as you can see, there's really not much else that I had to do with it, and that is what I'm loving about Christina's collection, her decorative word collection. See, there goes fanning the hand again. Because pretty much she does all the work for you. So there's really not much that you need to do, not unless you really wanted to. And I will show that to you in the other two cards. But this one is just to give you an example of how little you have to do with each and every single one of these dies, because the designs are so beautiful that they speak for themselves. And so with this one, I made an easel card, and the easel stands just like so. And as you can see, I also made it shaped, because you know me, I love making shaped easel cards, and it's so super simple, so super easy to make shaped easel cards. And I have a gazillion tutorials on how to make these, and if you need to check and see how I make my shaped easel cards, all you got to do is go to my card making playlist on my profile page, and I guess I will go ahead and link you to that playlist if I remember to do that in the description area of this video. And so I decided to go with this shiny purple cardstock paper. I just love it, and the card sits like so, and it's so beautiful, and the insert looks like that. And the inserts, let me show you what the inserts look like. Hang on just a second. Right over here, it's called the Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths Birthday and Occasion Inserts, and I'm holding the 5x7 size, where you get 48 sheets of 16 designs. That's a lot of designs, y'all. And let me just do a quick flip through. Oh, I could have used that one too. See that? You get a ton of different designs here, and for every what I like about these is that they're pastel, and you can easily put it on the insert of your card, and it doesn't take away from your writing anything. So that's that, and let me go ahead and just set this to the side. The next one that I want to share with you, and remember how I said you can decorate it as little or as much, and if you don't decorate it as much, it doesn't matter, because it's already done for you. Anyways, with this one, I decided to go with the with Love and Best Wishes die set, which is this one right here you get a set of 3, and this is the item number to it. And looky what I made here. I just love it. I decided to use some chipboard pieces for my stash. I also die cut some using leaf dies by Christina Griffiths from her Christmas. See, I'm pointing to that side because that's where the dies are sitting. From her Christmas die sets. See how I am just not prepared. Anywho, so I also use some flat back pearls in gold and shiny gold and not shiny gold. And this is what the card looks like. And I also use some acrylic flowers from Spellbinders. And this is the insert. It is so super pretty. I love the way these cards came out. And that one is using the with love and best wishes. And for the last but not least, I use the A Gift for You Decorative Word 3-piece die set. This is the style number, and this is what I made with it. I absolutely love this card. I just love making dimensional cards. And, you know, again, you can decorate it as much or as little as you want. And I just love the way this came out. I love the fancy schmancy designs. And I used some chipboard pieces. I used some dies by Christina. And I used some... Oh, and also these are leaves dies from Christina, and over here just a chipboard ephemera flower piece and some acrylic flowers from Spellbinders and some flatback pearls from Spellbinders. And this is what the inside looks like. Isn't it pretty? And this is how it stands. And these are my cards, and there are pictures at the end. Oh my gosh, I totally blew this video. I'll see you back real soon. Bye.